Hi, I am Dr. Imran Khan, Consultant Internal Medicine at Care Hospital, Mushirabad, Hyderabad. So, my topic is why person gets fever after vaccination. To understand this, we have to know some basics about the fever. What is fever? Fever is increase in the body temperature more than the daily normal routine variation in particular person. So, in the normal person, we have variation in the day. Like in the morning, patient will have lower body temperature than the evening. So, when the body temperature increases more than this daily variation because of some infection, we call it as a fever. So, why we get fever? To understand the basic mechanism, when this bacteria or virus or any pathogenic organism enters in our body, it has a response by the immune system. The immune system start producing cytokines in the response to this viral or bacterial agents. So these cytokines are responsible to produce fever in our body. For example, these cytokines, you might be knowing that cytokines like interleukin 1 and interleukin 6 and few others are responsible mainly for the fever. So now coming to the main part of this video, why after the vaccine we get fever, particularly the COVID vaccine. So in this COVID vaccine there is a virus like thing, or there can be a killed virus which is injected in our body, and this, in response to this, our immune mechanism thinks like it is a infection, so it start producing cytokines in our body in response to the vaccine. So few of the persons after vaccination develops fever because of the cytokines. Basically, the body's immune system responds the vaccine in the same way as it responds to the infection. So due to this, person gets fever after getting vaccine. But mostly this fever is self-limited. It will last for 6 to 10 hours, and with the simple medications like paracetamol, it will come down. So this is the mechanism behind getting fever. In short, or in a simple words, after vaccination, the vaccine like thing, a vaccine like material produces immune response. This immune response causes production of cytokines, and the cytokines cause development of the fever. This is the simple way to know why the fever comes after vaccination. Thank you.